Here's a tip for you. If you get anything on a white flat ceiling, this is one of those miracle Mr. Clean little sponges, and you get it wet and then you wipe it on the wall to get stuff off. And I've saved it and I've used it. And the trick with this is you put a little bit of water on it and then you get up there. I didn't leave any marks, any fingerprints on the ceiling lid, but as it's coming down, the edge is coming down, I might have had, I don't think I had an extension cord going down there, but crawling back and forth up there with my feet, and I have my nail bag on a couple times, I see a couple little marks, and I don't want to start rubbing too hard because, like I said, it was flat paint. I'm going to take this and I'm going to get it wet and I'm going to lightly clean it off with that. Okay, Mr. Clean little pads, clean pads, and the trick with that is you can't use it dry, you got to get it wet and then go up there and just lightly do it. So that's what I'm going to do and get it taken care of so I don't have to get my paint touch-up paint out. Okay, there's another tip for you. Hey, see you later. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.